Hello and welcome to another educational video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. We're here again with RhinoTech at the ISS show 2013. It's January and we're here in Long Beach, California at the RhinoTech booth, of course, and I'm here again with Greg Marcus from RhinoTech, and I wanted him to just tell us a little bit about this pressure washer that RhinoTech offers. And the reason why is because, in my experience, you definitely need a pressure washer for screen printing. It's going to help you out. You know that I've told you that before. Okay, but a lot of the homeowners units that you buy, at the home improvement stores are actually, they wear out in about a year or two if you're lucky to get that much out of them. And in fact, I do believe many of the products that you get, like from Home Depot and stuff, are designed down, actually, because they want to sell them at the cheaper price. But that means that the product isn't even as good as the original maker of the product. You know what I'm saying? In other words, Home Depot will contract with a particular company and down engineer a product so they can sell it at a lower price.
Correct.
So what happens is that means that product is not going to last. It's actually designed to break. So there's a solution for this, isn't there?
There is a solution for this, and the solution is the RS 1500A. Extremely heavy duty. And as you were mentioning with the home stores product, is that it's been designed for maybe 100 hours, 150 hours. Well, that's cleaning your driveway. Washing the car every now and then. That kind of thing. So it's not designed to last long.
No.
Where a unit like this is designed to go work for hundreds, thousands of hours.
Right.
Really.
Yes.
And this unit itself is about 55 pounds just to pick it up.
Yeah.
So
it's a heavy-duty unit.
Heavy-duty unit, extremely industrial, simple to operate. You have your water in from your hose. You have
standard hose fittings and everything. So it's the same as any unit you could buy, anywhere.
Yep. Your outflow. It obviously runs to your wand. That's about 26 feet of hose, so you got a lot of room to move around.
Right, so you could stash this thing a bit away from the washout booth.
Yeah, that's
nice. That's nice.
Simple on-off switch. These are designed for cold water applications.
Right.
If you want a hot water application, they're available. But this is by far the most popular unit that we sell. It'll do up to 1500 psi. But you can also dial it down to 250 psi.
Oh, okay. So it has a pressure adjustment.
Exactly. Exactly.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
At the same time, if you're just letting the water run through it without turning the unit on, you still have water activity so that you could actually develop your screens without any pressure whatsoever.
Right. So you don't have to run the pressure washer part. The water will flow through here at standard garden hose pressure.
Yes.
Kind of. So you could, in fact, use this to wash out your screens for exposure.
Absolutely.
Just making sure the pressure washer part is off.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
So that's really cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
Simple adjustments on the nozzle. You can fan so that you can go more into a bullet as well as fan it out into a nice...
And you just twist that?
Just twist this.
And it'll spread fan or pinpoint?
Down close to a big pinpoint. However, by pushing it, pulling it in, now you're going to have an absolute bullet.
Oh, wow.
So you get that little stubborn piece of emulsion that just doesn't want to get out of that screen.
Yeah.
You can really concentrate on.
Right, and that's where you want to be careful you don't tear your mesh if you get too close, especially with a really good pressure washer like this, right?
Yeah. And I find that most people, and we have it obviously in our shop as well, so we're doing testing on products all the time.
Yeah.
Is that we leave it on the high setting. If I want to lighten up the pressure a little bit, I take a step backwards.
Yeah, I do that even with my little garbage unit that I have. I just adjust the pressure by moving, closer or farther away from the screen.
And shortly, as you continue to watch Jonathan's videos, you will see this in the background.
Yes, I'm going to, because I'm tired of buying a new pressure washer like every year, or even 8 months. I run through them almost like underwear, so
like t-shirts.
Yeah, like t-shirts, So I'm definitely, going to bring one of these into the Catspit shop this year because we're tired of buying them over and over. And that's the good point. Now, although this unit may be more expensive than something you can find at your local home improvement store, this thing will pretty much, how long is this going to last with normal usage?
Years and years and years.
Yeah. And it is repairable?
It is repairable if for some item, for a reason you might have to repair a part on it.
Right.
Or in some cases, you know, people will need a new nozzle because of the water flow coming through, something gets clogged in it.
Yes, yes.
And subsequently, those are just, they screw off, you put a new one on, and you're ready to run again.
Yeah, that's cool.
So it's simple, it's easy. One item I didn't mention before is obviously it does have a ground fault, so that for all safety, particularly in a wet environment.
Yeah, because it's electric.
Yep, and it's a 110 volt.
Plugs into standard household outlets and such, so that's good. That's always good.
That's all right. The RS 1500A.
Good deal. I'm excited to bring one into the Catspit shop real soon, and I think it will, you know, be a pleasure for me to work with. It'll be like a Cadillac of pressure washers for me, you know, because I'm so used to these pieces of junk. So I'm excited to bring this into the Catspit shop this year. So it'll be cool. And once we get it in the shop, I'll show you guys more about it. All right. So thanks again, Greg. I really appreciate it. I always have fun at the shows with Greg Marcus and RhinoTech. And don't forget, guys, that RhinoTech is a sponsor and a vendor on the print supplies page, and you can check out RhinoTech, all their products, and we link out to RhinoTech. And don't forget, we have the discount code for RhinoTech. So I encourage you to visit the Catspit Productions website and then check out the RhinoTech listing on the print supplies page and go to their website and use the code. And I encourage you to do business with RhinoTech. Great people, great products. So thanks again, Greg, and thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you see, make sure you rate, thumbs up, like, comment below, and please subscribe. We'll see you next time.